When we have events like this that's just pure education, it just takes the temperature down and people feel more empowered that they're making their own choices. We all benefit from that. Hi, my name is Jenn Uhen. I'm the founder of the Pledgettes, a financial community for values-driven women, and today we're at the Capital One Café in Denver.
Thank you guys for coming and participating here today, meeting some financial friends.
In the summer of 2019, my partner and I were working on some big financial goals. It felt like we were doing it all alone.
I didn't really have a mentor of who was investing in the ways that we were investing.
I didn't have friends that I could celebrate with or really learning about what the options were in my financial goals. So I created a solution, and it has just built to meet all of our members' needs and how we can do that together in community.
I love when someone gives me a microphone.
I love the Pledgettes. And I've been doing the Pledgettes since like 2019-ish.
And it's been really amazing to watch the evolution of the Pledgettes.
I think there's this huge trend of people getting together and trying to get more knowledge, to get more power.
Because without it, you're effectively living paycheck to paycheck, even if you are not living paycheck to paycheck.
I just bought a house. Moving to Arvada, I'll be your neighbor.
Getting inputs, especially from a space like this, where anybody can just come here. You get so much out of just being here and learning.
And it's just really good to have a community of people that is non-judgmental, to share stories with them and to identify that there are emotional blocks that we all have.
The more we talk about money, the more we can all learn and grow. I love spaces like the Capital One Café because this is an inviting place for safe conversations.
It takes people a while to get used to the idea that you can have a free space to just
Be in a room with others who are trying to build their financial stepping stones.
The space was built to talk about money. It's bright, it's open. It makes you want to be bright and open as you talk about money.
And thank you so much for taking an active role in your personal finances this morning and making some financial friends here today. Thank you.